What's up, y'all? Trucker's Life here. Today, I'm making a rack of spare ribs. I got a new toy, y'all. Stay tuned. Y'all check it out. Got my mix with my seasoning. Only thing I put in here is brown sugar, parsley, garlic powder, onion powder, Cajun seasoning, cayenne pepper, white pepper, and that's it. Oh no, I put a little bit of rosemary. Now let's check it out. I already trimmed it so that way I didn't have to do it on the video because that takes a while. You want to put a liberal amount because some of it's gonna fall off, but at the same time, that fat's gonna soak it in. If y'all could just smell the seasoning, y'all would be geeking right now. Okay, that's one side. Now flip it over. As I said, some of it's gonna fall off. But I ain't tripping. I already took the silver skin off of it, which is a membrane. Same thing. Okay. Now to season this side, the meaty side. As y'all can see, I'm still in my truck like always. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a few days because my truck was in the shop and I had a loaner truck which wasn't big enough for me to do anything in, so I've been eating salads for the last 3 days. Here we go. Oh, a little bit more on it. It's right here. Okay, so let me wipe my hands and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back. Now let's wrap this thing up. Go over that way. That way. Yeah, this is a big rack, y'all. I'm gonna need a little piece to take over the top, right? You know what? I'm just gonna leave that part exposed. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna do it lazy. Y'all ready to see my new toy? Let me put this back here real quick on my bed. It's on the cookie sheet, so we're good. This is my new toy, y'all. My indoor smokeless grill, y'all. Gotta put a little bit more water in it. Let's see. Alright, y'all. Put my water in here. My steam tray. Yeah, it's time, baby. We ready. Turn it on, turn my fan on. Oh, excuse me. Turn it to 325. Pull it to the front so it don't touch my TV or nothing. Open it right here. Oh, you can feel it. You can feel it. Okay. Now, we'll just grab this rack. Put this whole rack in. This might be a little big. I might have to cut some of that off. Alright, y'all. We got an issue. No, we don't. I'm going to make it work. I'm going to make it work, y'all. There we go. Kind of squish it down a little bit. And just close it. Alright, y'all. I'll be back when it's ready. Deuces, y'all. Hey, y'all. I'm back. Hold on real quick. Let me
lady, why are you on a show?
Alright. When I'm back, I'm about to start my potatoes and my broccoli. Check me out. Okay, I got my potatoes. Kind of cut them a little bit, just so that the seasoning can get inside of them a little bit. Put a little bit of pepper in them. There's my broccoli. Y'all see, fresh broccoli. Sorry, y'all. I'm watching some Kevin Samuels right now. He's the business right now. He's doing what he's supposed to do. Oh, I want some broccoli. I'm gonna have to turn this off so I can plug this in. Let me see. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. Sorry, I had to grab my chicken bouillon out of my spice cabinet in my truck. Put this on here. Smother that real quick. I'm gonna turn my smokeless grill off. As y'all can see, my ribs is, check me out, check me out. Check me out, baby. I'll flip them in a couple minutes, but I gotta turn this off and just let them kind of smother real quick while I get these going. My potatoes and broccoli. Hey, y'all, check me out. Turn this off. I gotta unplug this so I can plug in my 7-in-1 without turning my TV off. Turn that off. Plug this in. Alright, y'all. As y'all can see, I gotta put some butter in this bitch. Excuse my language, but I don't apologize because I cuss. I'm a truck driver. I know y'all saw that. My bad. Alright, y'all. I'll be back. I'm about to put these in and get these going. Alright. Hey you guys, Trucker Life, I'm back. I just wanted to give you guys an update. I got my ribs still going, my potatoes and broccoli going, but I wanted to let y'all know I've set up 2 guest interviews for tomorrow. Well, maybe one tonight and then one tomorrow. There's some people, one lady, one guy that work in our company. They're gonna test my food live. Well, I'm gonna record it and then post it to my channel. But they're gonna test my food so you guys can see live reactions of people tasting my ribs for the first time. Check me out. I love y'all. But check out my not just my YouTube, because this video is going to my YouTube, but also my Instagram, which actually I don't know why I was giving y'all the wrong name. It's actually under Dad First 78 on Instagram and Truckers Life 78 on Twitter. Alright y'all, deuces, love y'all. Hey y'all, Truckers Life back. I'm just trying to check out my ribs real quick in my portable, well, it's a smokeless grill. Check it. Smokeless grill, got my ribs in here. Oh y'all, hold on. That ain't it. That ain't it. I got my potatoes and broccoli in here. Yes, sir. We at it. We at it. And we done. Love y'all. Stay posted. Y'all stay safe and stay peaceful. I love y'all. I know I got a water bottle up here. I ain't worried about it. I ain't worried about that water bottle. But y'all stay safe. And I'll holler at y'all tomorrow. I got a couple, like I said, I got a couple interviews coming tomorrow of people that's trying my food. I haven't had no taste testers, but I'm at our company yard out here in Riverside. My mouth is watering, I'm sorry. These ribs are smelling good in here though, okay? But I will holler at y'all later. Deuces, and we out, baby.